people out. There, you see the bubbles?
Alright.
There's that one.
Here, I'll get this one. I'll get it.
Oh, there it is.
Because if we don't clear it, we don't know when the village is going to be here.
Right.
And now if it gets so bad, we'll have to go out and take it. We got that, so bad. I don't know if you were here back in 2000. We had to open up the one right in the middle of her driveway.
In the middle of the what?
Right in
driveway. There's a sewer there, too.
Because
This one's getting...
the sewers were so filled up, they couldn't take it in at once.
Like,
There's one right in the middle. Yes, we have to, but we have to open the cover.
Yes, it's one that
If we
doesn't...
didn't do that many years ago, a lot of these houses would have been under.
There's one here, too. The bubbles are coming up. No, that's coming up through the ground.
It's not a drain.
That's not. That's just the ground. Holes in the ground. Bubbling up.
this isn't the thing?
Well,
Yeah, that is. That's one of them. That's one of them. That's one of them. And then there's one over there. Somewhere.
Yeah, because I think the sewers are not going to take it. See, we're already loose.
Yeah, you're
Go
filled.
on, Alex. Go on.
Let's try the next one.
We're not doing any good?
We are a little bit,
A little bit.
but not a lot. It's right here. It's coming right here. That's the ground. It's going through the ground. Because there's no sewer there.
We have to actually open it. I got a big crowbar that'll open it right up.
That's the spot. That's the one that's holding it.
I think it's we got it cleared out, but it's not going down. But if worst comes to worst, we're going to have to open that one. Yeah, I think you made it earlier.
Yeah. It's going down here. Yep, it's going down.
And then we open that right there.
There's nothing on it.
It's not clogged?
Not clogged.
But it's not still not going down?
It is a little bit, you see? A little whirlpool. Yeah, there's one there, there. I think there's one over there. You know what? There's one there too, I'm pretty sure.
No, there isn't.
No? This is not as bad as it was 8 years ago. It was even higher.
Even higher.
It went down her garage. Her whole basement went down.
Yeah.
It's going through the ground.
Oh, okay. Go on.
Yeah, that one's going down a little bit. There, look at it now.
Oh.
Now that's a good sign.
And why is the bubble in here too?
Because that's the holes in the ground.
Oh.
It's going through the ground, the concrete.
But that's the one, if we have to, we'll open that cover, it'll go right down.
Yeah.
Because by the time the
Oh, yeah.
village is going to get here,
Would they do the same thing?
yeah, but they might be dealing with other issues.
I mean, well, we're not doing anything wrong, are we?
No. We're actually doing something right because because if we just sit here and wait, it's going to get worse.
Yeah, it might still rain.
Yeah.
That one's going down now.
So you were here back then. You seen when the car was underwater over here and it was almost up to that tree?
Yeah, that's a sewer.
It's small. It's small.
Of debris or just water?
It's not going down anymore.
Then we're gonna have to open that one. That's the one keeping it all up.
You said it's close to the ground. That's why it's not going down.
This one's still going down a little bit, but it's pretty
going
filled.
slowly. Don't get me in any video.
I'm not. Oh yeah, it's sucking right down.
Is it?
Yeah, I can feel it. Put your fingers there.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
No, that one's strong.
No.
That's the one that's holding it.
Right here. I'll show you.
That's the one we're gonna have to open.
Try to stay attached to the sinkhole.
Yeah, because it's gonna go crazy. Very crazy.
I got a gigantic snowball.
Okay, let me get over here. Yeah, it's gonna all go crazy with this one.
Yeah, but it's only gonna take a couple inches down. What I'm gonna do, well, it's kind of going down,
But not a lot.
but I'm gonna lift the cover. Okay?
Then everybody's gotta run back.
No, it's not gonna suck us down. But last time it was, we were all covered here. You know what I'm saying? I'll go get a crowbar and just lift
Yeah,
it.
but if it's going down, is
Well,
that
it's going down, but
A little bit at a time. Because if you open it all the way up, a lot of it's gonna rush in.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah, you don't have to open it all the way. Just open it around, you see? Just like move it over
No,
here.
that's all I have to do is stick it in here and just lift it.
Yeah, you don't have to take it all the way off.
Because if it's another blast of rain, you don't know what's gonna happen.
you said it was warm. I thought they said it was starting to ease up.
I didn't know if it was going to ease up today or not.
Well, we don't want this to sit here for a week.
That's,
The cars were stuck going through. You should have seen the police car that came by. It was like really tall.
it did it before, and then it stopped raining and everything went down.
And then it started again.
Then it started
Right.
again.
I think it's not gonna rain anymore.
I think
But you
that
never
was
know.
pending. They've been wrong before.
Yeah, exactly right.
No, it's still going. Now we need to throw fish in here and start fishing.
Jimmy, I think there's another one down.
Yeah, there's one there, there. No, there's not. Those little bubbles are the it's going underneath the concrete.
It's funny.
Oh, yeah. Watch out.
Lily, back up. Tony, back up.
I'm backing up.
There, look at it now. See?
It's not going to go if people catch it.
5 times? 6 times maybe?
Yeah, but this
Or
is,
more?
I would say...
This is one of the
on a
small
scale
ones.
1 to 10, this is like
4 or 3.
a 3.
3. It got a lot higher.
10 being the worst.
Well, I got the raft. Too bad we don't know where that big of a raft is.
No, come on.
No, we should have set up that big, you know that rowboat that we have?
No.
Oh yeah, that's it's not bad.
Well, they were doing
No.
a few years. No, a few years ago they put the boat here. They had the boat. The village had the boat running down this.
Whoa.
Yeah, the big
Oh,
boat.
yeah. Well, I can actually show you videos on the other side of Westchester. It's called Westchester Boulevard. They had the boats like going to...
Take a little with this. Your hands are all dry.
Your
Don't
hands
get
are
anybody's
dry.
faces. Just you can walk in. You'll be fine as long
Oh,
as you don't
yeah.
touch.
We're talking water to water.
Look at that, guys. See all? Wait, do you guys see that bubble right there? It's sinking into the concrete. It's going everywhere. So cold. Look. What if it doesn't come through? It's turning left. That one's definitely not coming through. Nobody's stupid enough to come through. Oh, let's look over here. It's going down. It's going down. It's almost up to my knee. Here. No, you hold it. It's yours.
Just go up to that end and come back.
Take it. Come back. It's not deeper. Just stay straight.
Look at how far down it goes. It's farther on camera than it is in person. I'm almost at the end. I was just over there. It's fog over here too. I feel like I'm gonna walk back on the sidewalk because this is a lot. I'm gonna go back, but over here because I don't want to step in there. Here, Timmy.
Okay, so you can shut it. It's recording.
What?
Recording.
It is recording. It's been recording.
Well, you can stop recording.